Okay, opening up iMovie. Let me turn off these windshield wipers and the car. So iMovie, I've got mine over here. Open that up. I'm not sure if it's going to keep recording while I do this. Yeah, probably not. But here's a video. Down here on the bottom, you slide and you find where you want it to be. Then you tap again. And you get tools at the bottom. You can actually split the clip right there. Did I split the clip? Oh, then I have to hit the split button and it splits. Or there's an undo button right there. If I tap the clip again, I can detach or duplicate or delete. Detach, duplicate, yeah, I've just duplicated it. And the default transition is that right there. I believe if you tap on the transition, you can do a wipe, which is like right like that. Some kind of fade. Oh, fade to black. Okay. So I guess that's what that symbol's trying to show. Maybe a transparent wipe. I don't get what that one's trying to do. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Oh, I still haven't chosen it yet. Okay. So now, yeah, I don't know what that is. Anyway, dissolve or something to go along with the theme. I don't know what the theme is that I have. But you can pick a theme of what you're going to use. I think I'll just use a... Wait, it didn't change. A dissolve, that's what I want. It's not doing what I thought it would be. Oh well. Actually, I'm gonna undo all everything I did. Undo back to the part where... Oh, I guess I can't undo anymore. But anyway, tapping on the clip, tapping on the audio. There's the audio. I can split it. Foreground. What the heck is that? Yeah, I can't do any sound. Anyway, and done. And it's still. Then I can export this. I've got options for exporting. I can hit the play it with that bottom left button. This will let me export to files. I believe exporting the project will let you edit it in iMovie if you have a Mac desktop. Saving the video will actually save it to your camera roll, and you can choose resolutions there. I typically don't go any higher than 720p, but if you've got size space, a size constrictions, whatever, obviously you can go smaller, and it'll render it out. This one might take a while because it's a couple minutes, but I'm not going to do it. And then, just tap on the name to change the name. Or let me see, hit done, or I can hit edit to go back into the editing mode. Anyway, I'm going to be done. I'm going to go back out, and if I had more projects, I would do more projects. You have a theme you can choose from. A trailer's kind of cool to make, but it takes up too much time. But anyway, that should be it.